2. 1, 2, 3, 2.
Be careful, be careful.
Okay, do push-ups.
Push-ups.
Push-ups. I do push-ups.
Do push-up.
Push-ups.
Do one push-up.
Push-up, push-up. Just do it for the video. Push-up. Look at Jazzy. Do push-up. Whoa! Okay, do push-up. Ready? Oh, you're okay. Shake it off. Let's do a push-up. Ready? Push-up, push-up. Push-up, push-up. Push-up, push-up. Good job, bud.
Simon says. You're 7, Mom.
Okay, Simon says touch your nose. Simon says touch your ear. Simon says touch your hair. Simon says touch your knee. Touch your knee. Good job. Simon says touch your tummy. Simon says touch your teeth. Touch your teeth. Simon says touch your eye. Eye. Simon says touch your nose. Simon says touch your nose. Nose. Simon says jump. Jump. Simon says stop. Simon says do a jumping jack. Jumping jack. Ready? Show him jumping jacks. Okay, you do it and then he can do it. Jumping jack. Good job. Okay, do jumping jacks.
And then hop. Woo! That's how we do it.
Okay, Simon says do jumping jacks. Do jumping jacks, show him. Do a couple more.
1, 2.
He's fine, Jess. Don't correct him. He's okay. Okay, Simon says stand on one foot.
Oh. I'm trying. It's hard.
Okay, stop. Ah! That's enough.
Wait, I still have to do it. Oh.
Okay, Simon says
Next round.
stand on 2 feet. Simon says sit on your banana.
I like that word.
Simon says pat your
I
head.
made a bougie.
Pat your head. Simon says pat your head. Okay, Simon says touch your ear. Simon says say banana.
Banana.
Say banana. Banana.
Okay, next.
Okay, Simon says lay down. Simon says roll over. Simon says sit up. Lay back down. Ah, Simon.